How to remove device management from iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how to remove device management from your iPhone in just a few simple steps. So grab your iPhone, head over to the settings, and there scroll down, tap on General, then scroll down until you find VPN and device management. Tap on that option and then you will see various installed profiles here. I do not have any, but if you have anything installed, it will be right here and you just have to tap on it and there will be delete option right there. You just have to tap on it and it will be removed from your iPhone. So keep in mind, if this profile was installed for security reasons, you might need to enter a password or log in as an administrator to approve it. And that's it. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.